Ever wondered how the ordinary baking soda lurking in your kitchen cabinet can transform into a powerful tool for holistic healing? Well, brace yourself for some enlightening facts. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate as it's scientifically known, might seem like a humble ingredient, but it's a veritable powerhouse when it comes to health benefits. At the forefront of its many advantages is its role as a natural antacid. Yes, that's right. A spoonful of baking soda dissolved in water can provide quick relief from heartburn and indigestive distress. These benefits stem from its alkaline nature, which neutralizes stomach acid, alleviating discomfort and pain. But the wonders of baking soda don't stop at digestion. It's also a potent oral hygiene aid. Just a pinch of baking soda can freshen breath, whiten teeth, and even fight gum disease. This is due to baking soda's ability to neutralize the harmful acids that contribute to oral health problems. Moving on to the skin, baking soda proves to be an effective exfoliant. It gently removes dead skin cells and unclogs pores, revealing a radiant complexion. For those struggling with itchy skin or bug bites, a paste of baking soda and water can soothe irritation and reduce inflammation. Even your hair can benefit from baking soda. It's a natural way to remove product buildup and excess oil, leaving your locks clean and shiny. And here's a rare gem. Baking soda can also aid in kidney health. Some studies suggest that it can slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing acid levels in the blood. Now, let's not forget about its role in home cleaning. Baking soda's mild abrasive nature can tackle tough stains and bad odors, making it an eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. But that's not all. Baking soda can also be used as a natural deodorant, a foot soak, a sunburn remedy, and even to enhance sports performance by buffering lactic acid in muscles. To summarize, this ordinary kitchen ingredient, baking soda, is anything but ordinary. It aids in digestion, promotes oral hygiene, benefits skin and hair, supports kidney health, and doubles as an eco-friendly home cleaner. Its versatility extends to being a natural deodorant, a soothing foot soak, a sunburn remedy, and a performance enhancer for athletes. So next time when you see that box of baking soda, remember, it's not just for baking, it's a holistic healer sitting right in your kitchen cabinet. Now, isn't that something to marvel at? For more videos like this, please like, subscribe, and follow me.